Have you noticed your plant's leaves turning yellow? Don't worry, yellow leaves are something almost every home gardener faces at one point or another. In this video, I'm breaking down the main reasons those leaves lose their green, and more importantly, how you can fix them to bring your plants back to life. First up, let's talk about overwatering. If your soil feels soggy and your plants look droopy, you might be loving them a little too much. Too much water suffocates roots and leads to yellowing. On the other hand, underwatering is just as bad. Dry, crumbly soil means your plant isn't getting enough nutrients, and the leaves start to shrivel and yellow. Next, nutrient deficiency. If your leaves are pale but the veins stay green, your plant could be craving more nitrogen or iron. Don't forget about light. Too little or too much sunlight can stress your plant and cause those yellow patches to appear. And keep an eye out for pests or disease. Look for spots, tiny bugs, or fuzzy growth on the leaves. These can do serious damage if not caught early. So what can you do? Adjust your watering schedule. Wait until the top inch of soil is dry before adding more water. Use a balanced fertilizer to give your plant the nutrients it needs. Make sure your plant is getting the right amount of sunlight, and if your soil is poor, consider repotting. For pests, try natural remedies like neem oil. To prevent yellow leaves in the future, check soil moisture regularly, feed your plants the right nutrients, and keep them in the best light for their species. With the right care, your plants can thrive and stay vibrant all year round. Like and subscribe for more gardening tips.